puppy's first day outside. They are 3 weeks old. Alright, we've changed. Lavender girl over here is now red. So that's my lavender girl. Here's my orange chocolate boy. Who are you? Purple girl. It's right here. There's turquoise girl. Red chocolate. Here's blue. Blue, what are you doing? Hi, Blue. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're also cute. And my yellow lab wants to be their mommy, I think. Well, Mama is watching close by. Yes, you are, aren't you, Mama? Yes, you are. They're not quite sure what this is. You're supposed to be playing. Hi, guys. Hi. Oh, I know it. Oh, now you see Mama. You're going to want her. I know, you're okay. Alright. Let me see if I can get the blue boy here. People want to see Blue, but I think he is taken. Here's Blue. He's so cute, aren't you? There's Blue. He is very cute. Alright, let me see the girls. Here is... Oh, goodness, you're going to fly? Turquoise girl. She's actually very sweet. Very laid back. There's turquoise girl. Yes, you are. Very sweet girl. Oh, there's a good picture of you. And then we have purple girl. She is a little bit more demanding, aren't you? You're my fussy girl. She lets me know when she is hungry or anything is upsetting her, don't you? Yes. That's purple girl. And let me get red. She was lavender, so, and she is very, very sweet and laid back too. There's red. Little girl. This is a black female. Yeah. Very sweet girl. Yeah. Okay. Let's see chocolate red. Here's chocolate red. Chocolate red. That's chocolate red. He's got the pinker nose. These guys all have deposits on them. Let's see. So they're taken. They just haven't been picked yet. Here is orange. Oh, no, he's got the pink nose. Sorry. Alright, hold on. I can't get a good picture of you, Orange. You look like you're flying. I'm sorry, I'm not making you feel comfortable. Let me get Orange down here. Here's Orange. There he is. He's very calm. Oh!